Hello, hello, my loves. Welcome to Ready for Wellness. I'm your certified wellness coach and nutritionist, Anna, here to help you heal from feminine wellness
Y'all,
issues.
this is the sweet potato black bean bowl with sauteed kale, feta cheese, and a tahini dressing. It was so good. First, I chopped my sweet potatoes, diced the green bell pepper, and about half of a purple onion. I add everything into a bowl with about a tablespoon of olive oil. Next, I'm going to add some of my favorite seasonings to make sure that the sweet potatoes are flavored really, really well. Mix it all together, and then we're going to spread it out on a baking sheet. I'm going to add everything in the oven at 425 for about 20 minutes or until my sweet potatoes are soft. So while that was happening, I sauteed some onions and some kale, and then once everything was done, I started to assemble my bowls. So you see the kale, the sweet potatoes, the black beans, and the tahini dressing. Tahini is basically blended sesame seeds, so I made like a honey mustard dressing. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Can you tell by how I'm eating it? Listen, for more recipes and to help heal your feminine wellness issues, be sure to check out my new book, Ready for Wellness, a wellness guide and cookbook for women with feminine health issues, available on my website. Subscribe so that you don't miss out on what I'm cooking next. And as always, my loves, health and happiness.